man. But today, I'm gonna be giving y'all boys a night cruise in the Jeep. As you can see though, we at the gas station right now. We filling up. Show y'all a little bit of how it look though. This is what we got right now. It's definitely gonna be a thumbnail though. Once I fill it up, this stuff gonna be hard as a motherfucker. Thumbnail gonna be too crazy, bro. And we got a trooper for that too. That's on camera, so she gonna be on camera. You know me? I know my shit, man. What's in, boy? You wanna be seen so bad, I want you to be seen. And once I hit this E-Wheel, good luck, bro. I know it ain't no track though. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm about to let it fill up real quick. See them numbers going up, you feel me? But I'm gonna let it fill up, and then we gonna take off. I'm gonna just give y'all a night little cruise, you feel me? Y'all gonna be riding with me, see how it feel, see how it is in the Jeep at nighttime. And I'm gonna show y'all how much it costs to fill up too, cause I'm almost on an empty tank too. So I think I don't know if I did a video like this before or not, but this is how much it costs, you feel me? $60, not really too bad. And it's $3 a gallon, so feel me, that ain't too bad. But I ain't gonna lie, my stuff really was on E, so it really would have been way cheaper than that. But that's just how much it is right now. So you feel me? I'm about to put it up. Now let's hop in the whip. You feel me? I'm gonna show y'all boys how many more miles we got too when I hop in. You see? Let me cut her on. So the mileage right here, I'll show y'all how much that say. We got 373 miles, almost 400 miles. Turn the music down. You feel me? I got the stars on, everything on. Actually, let me turn this around so I can vlog. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'ma just get y'all a little night cruise or whatnot in the Jeep. Show y'all boys how it is, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, this ain't my first POV that I ever did. So don't be on my head about how much the camera moving or whatnot. I'm just getting y'all a little quick POV, cause I ain't gonna lie, later this week, bro, it's really gonna be raining a lot. And I got they got a nice little car show coming up that we gonna be going to as well. And I'm gonna probably drop that video next week. So y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned though. But for this week, you feel me? I'm gonna just give y'all a little POV drive. Y'all see how it is. And I'm gonna I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna turn on the SRT pages so y'all can kind of see. Turn on the SRT pages as well before I take off. You feel me? Hat is on. You feel me? Boy, I had to stop at the racetrack though, as usual. I had already eaten stuff, so that's why I ain't gonna go in there and get no snacks and whatnot. But I'ma just have it on engine for now, so I can see like my temp. But nah, this ain't the one with the temp. It's one of these. I think it's gauge one. Which one show you the? Yeah, this kind of the temp. Okay, bro, my bad, YouTube, bro. My SD card just got full on me, so I kind of had to get rid of some clips or whatnot, but I had did it, so I'm about to get y'all the POV real quick. My bad though, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I should have checked my storage on my SD card, and I did not bring my backup SD card either. I don't even got my lights on, bro. I'm tripping. Hey, but I'm about to give y'all the POV or whatnot, so y'all kind of see. And keep in mind though, bro, I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, it's dark as a mud. Bro, who is it, bro? Go ahead, bro. Bro, watch out, bro. Behind me, bro. Fuck behind me, nigga. Lame ass nigga. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. seem like everybody be racing for no reason. So I'ma just give y'all. I told y'all it's a night cruise, bro. So I ain't really gonna be speeding like that. I'ma really just be cruising. Just give y'all boys a POV. But I know y'all seen that State Trooper was just out. Well, let me put my seatbelt on, man. Safety first. But I know y'all seen that State Trooper was out and he was staring pretty hard. I know that boy mad as cheese for no reason. They just be bored. They had stopped one of my partners today too. So that's why I'm not really trying to do too much. But me, I ain't gonna lie, I'm the type of person, bro. I at least wait till I get to the bridge to start actually cutting up, bro. A lot of people, they just be cutting up anywhere. And that be lame on some shit. Cause like, bro, you can't. Not everywhere is meant to be cutting up. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I told y'all boys this video, the name of this video gonna be a night cruise. So I'm not really gonna be doing too much crazy stuff. Cause it's early in the week. And I don't know if y'all know, towards the beginning of the week, bro, police really be trying to get their tickets up and all that. Cause they gotta get paid by the end of the week, you feel me? And I know you see the horsepower and torque and whatnot. Everything I'm putting down. And I just filled up as well, so I'm trying to get good gas mileage. Anyways, you feel me? Cause I know this week I'ma really have to be taking a little trip this week. So I'ma probably be in my daily driver, if we being real, be in my other car, cause that's more of a daily vehicle. But you feel me? I told y'all boys I'ma give y'all a night cruise. That's what we gonna do today. Do y'all think I can fit through here? I can fit. Bro just acting childish in his little Lexus. Man, he good. And he cutting up in that little car over there. I wonder what's bro. Like, what's bro issue? I ain't gonna lie, bro. Sometimes, bro, it ain't like you don't gotta speed, my God. Like it's not like you gotta be somewhere on time, bro. Like it's okay to be a little late. You feel me? Ain't nobody perfect. But main thing, son, I just want to give y'all a little cruise around the city. It's pretty dark, but I know you see. This is how it look, just POV driving in this mud. I don't got my lights on either because I just don't want to attract that much attention and whatnot. They got some car all on my ass, bro. Thing is, bro, once we get to the bridge, I do all that speeding, bro. But like right now, we on a main street, bro. Like, what's the purpose of speeding on a main street, bro? Like, a lot of people just be miserable. I ain't gonna lie, son. When you just chilling, bro, doing your thing. Like, look at the Charles right here. He just chilling, you feel me? No need to race. Like, yeah, everybody can push their shit, but sometimes it's just no need to really be racing, you feel me? You don't gotta be racing everywhere you go. But catch me on a bridge, my nigga. You catch me on a bridge, then we can race, you feel me? If it ain't the fastest, but we can race on the bridge. Like on main streets like this, bro, police really just be camping. If you smart, then you'll know that type shit. But a lot of people, I don't know, son. They just really be tweaking out sometimes for no reason. But I got like a good 20 minutes left on my SD card, so I'm gonna use it, of course. I'm gonna use my 20 minutes. I want all of my content, you feel me? I need every little minute, every little second. I need all of it. But I ain't gonna lie, if there's any other specific video y'all wanna see, just drop it in the comment section. You know I'm gonna get back at y'all boys as always. Cause me, I just be liking to do my little content, do what I gotta do, you feel me? And just keep it P, you feel me? Ain't no need to, I don't overdo it or underdo it. Just give y'all what y'all wanna see. And keep it pushing. And it's really gonna rain this week too, bro. I don't know if y'all know. It's gonna rain bad this week, so that's why I'm really just getting this video over with. Not over with, but like I'm just trying to get the video out the way, just in case if it do rain and I don't be able to make the video how I wanted to. That's why I'm really getting it over with. And they got a cop right there, so that's what I'm saying. Like only smart people would know at nighttime is not. If you just in the middle of the city, or if you on the main street, bro, it's not really. It depends on where you at. Where I'm at right now, it's not really the best, the brightest idea to be cutting up and trying to race and speed and shit. There's a lot that comes with it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. There's a lot. But I'm gonna give y'all a launch real quick. Cause I ain't do a launch in a minute. Let me go to 0 to 60. 0 to 60. I was adjusting something on the camera. I know y'all heard that little one, boy. I know y'all heard that second. I ain't get a launch how I wanted to, though. I'm gonna get one how I really want to. When I get on the bridge, I'm gonna really get it in. Like, see, now we actually about to get up on the bridge. So now, I can actually dash this bit how I want to. This is the time to actually, you don't gotta race on the bridge, bro, but it's just a better time. As long as they don't got no officers right here, I'm gonna let this truck go. Do its thing. Yeah, see, I got an open stretch. Besides this car right here. Oh, my bad, y'all. I got the camera too low. But I'm about to say, we're gonna have to take a trip in a couple of days. We're gonna be on our own little trip and whatnot. So I'm gonna really be getting y'all some content. It's gonna be, I don't know what that is. There, what is that? What is a truck? I ain't gonna lie, I never seen the truck in a place like that before. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the place. Kinda look good. That been look clean. Y'all see that? I ain't gonna lie, that been look fire. To be on a little tanker truck, that been look fire. I have honestly never seen that before. Y'all see that? Now that's like a fire. I ain't gonna lie. That's like a fire. It's smart though, because people actually see that sucker. That actually look fire. Can't lie to you. Now I do not condone bad driving and whatnot. Sometimes you gotta get to where you gotta go, you feel me? I'm gonna put the miles per hour on the screen so y'all can kind of see. But actually, I really don't want to put the miles per hour on the screen. But I ain't going to put a speed limit like that. I told y'all before I was gonna be cruising. So ain't nothing too crazy going on. But probably on the way back, the way to the crib, I ain't gonna lie. The way to the crib, brother, it is what it is. You feel me? I don't believe in the speed limit on the way to the crib. Right now, I go to speed limit. You feel me? Just be y'all the POV. I know y'all see in the rearview mirror. On the camera, all you can see is the stars, but I can actually see through my rearview mirror. Let me slow down a little bit though, because they got these cars trying to speed so freaking bad. This guy is hard up. It's always the ultimates, bro. I can't lie to you. It's always the ultimates, bro. Like, it never fails. It never fails, bro. Who this is? Tell me. Like, you see the slowest cars going the fastest, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wonder what he going on. You can't be getting to no check. But I know y'all see it's lightning sometimes, bro. So that just goes to show it's about to be a storm, my boy. No say. Hey, how time it, what I actually get here, I'm gonna be to finish my video or whatnot. So I'm gonna be straight. But I just had to get y'all this POV, man. And I know y'all see I had 370 miles, and I'm still right now, and I got the SRT pages up, so it's gonna kind of, highway mileage is always better than city mileage. That's why I really be cruising when I'm in the city. I really cruise, but the city is nice, bro. I know y'all see that. That is right there. That must be some new they just added. That's about yeah, that must be some new they just added over there. My camera not focusing though, bro. That's kind of aggravating. I can't lie to you. That's kind of aggravating. Right, bro. That's the only thing I really don't like that. Hey, y'all see them lights over there. I hope my camera focusing, bro. I know it's a lot going on, so it's probably not gonna focus as much. That bit look nice though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That bit look nice. But the city really be dark at night, son. I ain't gonna lie to you. If you from my city, you already know. Nigga on the cheap. Everybody getting that, huh? I ain't too nigga high to speed right now. Wait back, y'all can catch me if you can, boy. I'm telling you. It'll be a real one on the way back. Nah, I just be, like me personally, bro, I ain't about to be racing to go nowhere. I at least gotta know I'm going somewhere and I don't know, bro. I just don't be racing everywhere, bro. It really don't make sense. Y'all see what that is right there. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, I'm really about to be on my way to the crib. So now I'm about to actually start pushing this a little bit. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys, you feel me? On the way back. And it's about to start raining soon. I know y'all see that lightning stay hitting over there. But I just wanted to give y'all a little POV, man. Just to show y'all boys how I be looking for a night cruise or whatnot. How I look at nighttime driving this thing. But if y'all was interested in getting the same lights in y'all vehicle, bro, y'all know exactly where to get them from, where to go to get them. So if you haven't already though, bro, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, gang. I love y'all, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for the support. For real, because my channel constantly growing each and every day, bro, and it's really crazy to say I started off this channel with 0 subs, bro. Like, I had to really build this channel up to where it is today, bro. So I really just want to say thank y'all, each and every one of y'all, bro. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Tune into the videos, bro, because I got some bangers really coming on the way as well. But I'm going to catch up with y'all boys in the next video, man. It's your boy, Young G. We out, gang.